In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to achieve custom spacing with precise control in your document. Whether you're working on a report, an essay, or any other type of document, having the right spacing can make all the difference in terms of readability and aesthetics. So let's dive into it. First off, you're going to want to select the text that you want to adjust the spacing for. This is an important step because customizing spacing will only apply to the selected portion of your document. Once you've highlighted your desired text, there are two ways you can access the paragraph formatting options. The first method is to right-click directly on your highlighted text, which will bring up a context menu. From there, you'll want to choose Paragraph. Alternatively, you can navigate up to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Make sure that you're in the Home tab. You'll notice a section there labeled Paragraph. Within that section, look for a small arrow icon located at the bottom right corner. Click on that arrow, and just like that, you will bring up the Paragraph Settings window. Now that you've got the paragraph formatting menu open, pay close attention to the spacing section. This is where you'll get to customize how much space is added before or after each paragraph. Here's how it works. The Before option allows you to add space directly above the paragraph you've selected. Conversely, the After option does just the opposite. It adds space beneath your chosen paragraph. This precise control lets you create a balanced look by adjusting these values to meet your particular needs. You'll find that entering a specific value is as easy as typing in a number. For instance, if you'd like to add half an inch of space, you can enter 6 pt, or if you prefer a full inch, 12 pt should do the trick. Feel free to experiment with different values until the spacing visually aligns with your design goals or style guidelines. Once you're satisfied with your selections, the final step is to simply click OK. By doing this, you'll apply these custom spacing settings to your text, ensuring it looks exactly the way you want. Keep in mind that you can always revisit this menu if you need further adjustments. Remember, tailoring your document with custom spacing not only adds to its professionalism, but also enhances its readability. And there you have it. Achieving custom spacing with precise control is just a few clicks away. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on making your documents stand out.